Welcome back to my channel. There might be some noise in the background because it's windy and the neighbour is redecorating outside, I think. And this week is not so much to be done. Still working on the Fragmentation Shawl, waiting for the Amcal by Stephen West to start. But this is getting along very well. I'm actually at almost the last wedge. And it looks so nice. I'll show you in the next clip. See, you can see where I am at now. Isn't it lovely? The black and white that just pops out. And here it is, the heathery yarn. I think you call it heathery when it's a bit fuzzy on the edge. I do love this yarn. It's a part yak alpaca, I think. It's Flora by Drops. And still looking at these gorgeous yarns, waiting to be used in the Amcal. See you next week. Have a creative one. Bye bye.